Today I am going to discuss about the class 9 polynomials. If 2 is 0 of the polynomial p of x is equals to x square minus 3x plus 7a, find a. Solution given. P of x is equals to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. Here 2 is a 0 of the polynomial. When we are substituting this 2 in x place, we can get this polynomial becomes to 0. Now 2 is a 0 of p of x. P of 2 is equals to 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 7a. P of 2 means p of x. When we are substituting 2, this polynomial becomes to 0 because this is given. 2 into 2 square 4 minus 3 into 2 6 plus 7a. 0 is equals 2 into 4 times 8 minus 6 is plus 7a. 8 minus 6, 0 is equals 2 plus 7a. Plus 2 becomes 2, minus 2 is equals 7a. Minus 2, 7 into a, 7 becomes to denominator divided. Now we got a is equals to minus 2 by 7. Coming to the second question, if 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial f of x is equals to x cube minus 3x square plus x ax plus b. Find a and b. Given 0 and 1 are the zeros of p of x. The given polynomial is f of x is equals to x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. First, at x is equals to 0, we can substitute this 0. F of 0 is equals 2 into 0 whole cube minus 3 into 0 whole square plus a into 0 plus b. In x place, we have substituted in the given polynomial. Now f of 0, this is 0 of the polynomial, becomes 0 is equals to into 0, 0 minus 3 into 0, 0 plus a into 0, 0 plus b. We got b is equal 0. We got b value. And the second case f of 1 is the second 0 of the given polynomial. Now again 2 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus b. F of 1 means this 0 of the polynomial. 2 into 1 cube means 1. 3 into 1 square means 1. A into 1 a plus b. Here we got above equation b value 0. This value we can substitute here. Now 0 is equals to into 1 2 minus 3 into 1 3 plus a plus 0 a. A is equals 2 minus 3 which is equals minus 1 plus a minus 1. Therefore a is equals minus 1 becomes to plus 1. We got a value 1, b value 0 as we found. One more topic. We have one formula. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now In the polynomial also same formula we have to apply for the polynomial p of x. G of x is the second polynomial, that is called divisor. P of x is the dividend, g of x is the divisor, q of x is the quotient, r of x is the remainder. Now you can observe, is this formula is correct or not? Once we have to check our regular division. We can take for example 24 is divided by 3. Do you know the division? Like that we can do. 3 is the divisor, 24 is the dividend. Now you can observe here 3 8 times 24, we got the remainder 0. 3 is called divisor, 8 is called quotient, 0 is called remainder, 24 is called dividend. In the above formula, this value all we have to substitute. Now LHS part is dividend, RHS part is divisor into quotient plus remainder. After substituting this value, can we get equal or not? Once we have to verify. Here dividend 24 is equals. Next formula divisor. What is the divisor here? 3 into next quotient. How much we got in the division? 8 plus remainder we got 0. Once we have to check. 24 is equals 3 into 28. 24 plus 0. 24 is equals 24. Yes, we got. After substituting these values in the above formula, we got these two are equal. So that in the polynomial also we can use the same formula, the original division process. Let us take one example here. 2x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Here the power 4, which is the highest power, which is the polynomial. Now this is the divisor, x minus 1, we have to take the g of x. Now here x minus 1 is the divisor, 2x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. This is the dividend. In this process we have to take the step 1. First step, in the dividend place the first term we can take. What is the first term here? 2 into x to the power of 4. In divisor, first term, here dividend first term numerator, divisor first term denominator. X 1 time, x 3 times, that is equals 2x cube. This 2x cube, step 1 2x cube we can write here on top 2x cube. Now let us check. X into 2x cube, 2 into x to the power of 4. Next the remaining part in divisor minus 1. Minus 1 into 2x cube minus 2x cube. Yes, we multiplied. Now here the symbol should be changed. Plus becomes to minus, minus becomes to plus. Plus 2x to the power of 4 minus 2x to the power of 4. Both are cancelled. Minus 4 plus 2 minus 2x cube, bring down the remaining part minus 3x minus 1. Here step 2 we can take. How can we get the step 2? The remaining part in dividend, the first term is minus 2x cube. By same divisor, the first term we have to take in the denominator x. X to the power of 1 here x square, that is equals minus x 2x square we got. The remaining part we can write here x into minus 2x square minus 2x cube minus into minus plus 1 into 2x squared, 2x squared minus becomes 2 plus, plus becomes 2 minus, the remaining bring down. These two are cancelled. Here you can observe x power is 2, here x power 1. These two are same variables, the powers are different, but we should not subtract and add. Why? Because these two are unlike terms. We should not add or subtract. Only we can add the like terms. X square, as it is we can write here 2x square minus 3x minus 1. This you have to bring down. Now you can check the order. 2, 1. Again step 3. In step 3, the dividend remaining part is the first term is minus 2x squared by x. X one time is equals minus 2x. Here we can write minus 2x. X into minus 2x minus 2x squared minus into minus plus 1 into 2x, 2x. Minus becomes 2 plus, plus becomes 2 minus. These two are cancelled. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5x minus 1 bring down. Step number 4. The dividend last term, the remaining part is the first term minus 5x. The divisor, the first term is x. X cancel. The remaining is minus 5. This 5 into minus 5. X into minus 5. Minus 5x. Minus into minus. Plus 1 into 5. 5. Plus minus. The symbol should be changed. Plus 5 minus plus 5x minus 5x both are cancelled. Now let us check the symbols here. Minus 5 minus 1 both are minus symbols, we can add. We got minus 6. This is remainder R of x. This is quotient Q of x. This is given G of x. This is dividend P of x.